talk about how to fix or how to solve storage on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve storage on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you enter to AliExpress. After that, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.